Hey team, welcome back. In today's video, I'd like to go over a trade recap. We got ourselves a nice, healthy green trade. Ticker DRMA was the stock that I traded. I posted a video about this one last night going over the levels that I was watching for. And I mentioned that it was going to be on the early bird watch list for a move possibly to $3. And we did get that move to $3. We can see that the high here was 307 on ticker DRMA. And we can see it was on pretty low volume and it had that major red there as well. So it was pretty nasty, but it did get up there and hit that target. I was not available for this time. It was 4 a.m. Eastern time, so it was a little too early for me. I waited until later in the pre-market to attempt my trades on this one. So I did take the level over the 262, and this is this purple dotted line here. I was looking for a close over that level because the theory here is if I think it's going to get to say $3 or even $3.39, the next target above, then it has to close over 262 first and hold that level. Well, we did here. We could see a white candle with breakout volume. I took this close above, I scaled into profit, and I got myself a nice healthy trade. I held the lotto, and unfortunately when it came back down, that was it for me. I did not get my continuation, and I ensured my profit by taking profit in on that spike. Now we closed back above right here. I took the trade again. We did not close below, spiked back up, and sure enough, we hit just below this $3 mark here. So again, I shaved into that target and profit into $3, took my profit as this gap has already filled. We knew that from over here. And so it was a little bit riskier than I was looking to trade aggressive. So took my profit both here and then let it come back down. And did not take this a third time. I ended up waiting, I believe, for the close over $3. I took about 4 trades in this area here, and luckily they were all green. But again, we're using the confirmation strategy, so it's a close above this level, bullish, close back below, bail, it's bearish, right? Very simple. Then we're looking at the $3 mark. So if I put a line at $3, it'd be about here, and we can see the only candle that closed over that $3 was this candle here, which had a lot of volume. We can see 342,000 shares come into that, which is that breakout volume we're looking for. Closed over 3, so I was looking for a trade here at $3. Sure enough, we came back, retraced. We held the low of this candle here was 301. You can see that up here in the L. Over this candle was $3.01. Held that $3 level, never closed below, letting us know that it's still bullish. The vertical trend had a little bit of a retrace, and guess what? It retraced back up to the highs from there, or returned back to highs, hit the target, and that's where I took my profit. And was very happy to say that profit protection mode was on from here on out. And this is pretty early on. This is before around 8:30 a.m. this morning Eastern time. So really all my trading was from this time here about 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So that will go in the backlog and the back tester, and it will really let me know which time frames are most lucrative for me. But profit protection mode was on here, DRMA. Above this, I knew that we had some choppy levels. We had this cluster of resistance, in which case I didn't really feel there was going to be a whole lot of continuation. So I wasn't too into trading this level or above these levels. And of course, because we filled the gap to here, we want to see it close over that level to deem it as bullish. Well, we closed over that level here. We hit our target, right? We almost filled this gap above, but we never closed above this level. So yes, we hit target multiple times, allowing you to buy from this level, sell into this level. But once it closed below right here, that's bearish, and it needs to close over this level to now be considered bullish. And of course, it did not. We had this major red. These are topping tails. If I zoom in on this so you guys can see a little bit better, you can see this predetermined level on DRMA, scroll right here. This is a false breakout here, and we can avoid these false breakouts by trading the confirmation strategy. And over here, we can see another false breakout of that level, right? So we can't deem this as bullish until it closes over that predetermined level. It closed below, it did not close above, and we can see a nasty knife candle here, and I'm glad we avoided that trade. So that was my trading on DRMA. That's my trade recap. Green and profit protection mode is on from this level all the way to this level, and that's the move that I was looking to capture, as again, this is the most attractive gap on the chart. So I like to pick and choose those gaps that are going to favor me as a trader. And if we look over now, the current price action on DRMA, it's all the way down to $3. So for anyone who got in with me at the $3 level or in with me at the 262 in the pre-market session on our Discord, well, you were able to sell into a profit, I hope. And if not, you should still be in the green now. So lock in those profits, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.